Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your device meets requirements and that you have a screen lock enabled. Google Photos needs that to secure the locked folder. Next, open the Photos app, tap Library, then Utilities. Once in Utilities, locate Locked Folder and tap Setup to begin. You do this now because the app enforces device authentication as the foundation of privacy. Without a lock, the feature won't offer protection. Proceed once you see the Setup prompt and accepted permissions. Once set up, select the items you want to protect and use the three-dot menu to move to Locked Folder. This action explains why you lose album visibility. Items are removed from the regular library for privacy. If your camera offers it, switch the camera's storage to save directly to Locked Folder for future captures. Make sure you understand backup behavior. Locked folder content is not backed up automatically unless you explicitly enable it, so decide whether to keep a secure cloud copy or rely on local device protection. Finalize by regularly managing the folder via library utilities and authenticating every access to keep things secure. When you want to restore items, select them and move out. This returns them to the library, but remember albums don't auto-relink. If you can't open Locked Folder, make sure the Photos app is updated, clear its cache, and confirm your device screen lock is active. Once done, relaunch Photos and you should regain access. If problems persist, restart the device and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.